killed those 3 Wall Street guys.
Okay, I'm waiting for the punchline.
There is no punchline. It's not a joke.
You're serious, aren't you? You're telling us you killed those 3 young men on the subway? Mm-hmm. And why should we believe you?
You got nothing left to lose.
You finished? I mean, there's so much self-pity, Arthur. You sound like you're making excuses for killing those young men. Not everybody, and I'll tell you this, not everyone is awful.
You're awful.
Me? I'm awful?